everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix issues with the Explore page on Instagram, whether it's not loading properly or showing content that doesn't match your interests. Let's get started. If your Explore page isn't showing what you like or isn't loading at all, here are a few steps to help you fix it. First, clear Instagram's cache. This removes any temporary files that may be causing the issues with the Explore page. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, since there is no direct way to clear cache, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh the data. Once the cache is cleared or the app is reinstalled, open Instagram and see if the Explore page is working properly. Next, if you are seeing irrelevant content, you can reset the Explore page. Go to the Explore page and start interacting with posts that match your interests. Tap like on content you enjoy and avoid engaging with posts you don't want to see. Instagram uses your activity to personalize your Explore page, so engaging with content you like helps the algorithm learn your preferences. Next, report content you don't like. If you keep seeing content that you find irrelevant or inappropriate, you can report it. Go to the post, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Not Interested. This tells Instagram to stop showing similar content on your Explore page. And finally, check your internet connection. Sometimes, the Explore page won't load due to a weak connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and refresh the page to see if it loads properly. With these steps, your Explore page should be back to normal, showing content that fits your interests and loading smoothly. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!